For the mother cat to have survived here, she must know where to hunt for food and how to stay out of trouble. She'll often take advantage of hunting in a confined space. Such a strategy takes her into the derelict buildings that were once the schoolhouse. Among the debris scattered around are the children's gas masks. Everything here has been left to gradually succumb to the sublime decay that only time can bring. And it has plenty of that. Every object adds to the eerie memories of a place once so full of life.